G'day YouTube, just a bit of a update in regards to bees. I've got a big water tank on the property. It's about 27,000 litres. And it gets fed from that shed there behind it. And then at the bottom of that is that pipe which comes down to these taps here. And I just went and got myself a pre-made hose from a well-known hardware chain in Australia, and plugged it in, and I've got myself a trough. It's about, I think it's about a 50 litre trough, and it's got a little float valve inside it, so when the water level goes down it automatically refills. And I've just got it full of stones, but if you see that the water level still laps over around the edges there, and it's basically so bees can stand on the stones and have a drink without drowning. And I've got a little bit of a deeper spot there just in case there's any birds or whatever want to have a bit of a splash. And that's my bee watering system. Got a bit of dirt there just to level it out. Got it underneath an apple tree, and that tree there, it's in the shade pretty much all day. That tree there keeps it shaded in the morning, and that one keeps it shaded during the middle of the day and in the afternoon. So I'm hoping that the bees will get used to where that is and they'll make use of it. Alright, just a quick one. I've got to put in an application to cancel for the beehive. I'm already registered with the Department of Agriculture for being a beekeeper. So I'm another step closer. Just got to get cancel on my side, and hopefully they say yes, and I can have a couple of beehives here. December 2017 there was a really big flow on. All the gum trees on the property were flowering. Pretty much everywhere was flowering. It's sort of stopped now. There's still a few native trees around that are flowering, just nowhere near as good as what it was in December. Right, YouTube, I'll keep you posted on the bees, and hope you're enjoying yourselves. Catch you later.